Good morning everyone, welcome back to ASR NCRT Decoder. So have a look of the digestive system. This is the part of digestive system I'm showing you. First have a look of the dissection, and after that we will learn it whatever the thing is. Okay, so one by one I'm going to explain the name of the part, and after that I'll explain the work of it. Okay, so now here the teeth. Okay, now this is the tongue. The cavity is known as a buccal cavity. Now it opens here into the esophagus. This one is your esophagus, and after that the stomach opening opens into the duodenum. This is the part of small intestine, duodenum. Here only the pancreatic gland is going to be open, and the liver also going to be open to secrete all the secretions, and after that the duodenum enters here into the small intestine. Now the small intestine is highly coiled, is going to open into a large intestine, and then the large intestine have a opening here that is known as anus. Okay, now have a look. So we people have two type of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth is that type of teeth which is 20 number and going to be fall off after some time, and permanent teeth is the permanent, it is 32 in number. We have four different type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Then this one is the tongue. Tongue is having a sense organ, that is tongue is a gustatory organ, taste organ. Okay, now we are going to see, have a look of the salivary gland. The salivary gland is here. One is the below tongue, below ear, and three different type of gland we have. Now this is the opening of the food pipe. Food pipe is the long passage. Here no digestion takes place, and food pipe opens into stomach. Got it? Now food pipe opens into stomach. Here only a sphincter is present, that is known as a cardiac sphincter. Now in the stomach all the food material gets stored. Here only HCl is secreted. Okay, and mucus is also released here, and then the protein digestive enzymes to digest the protein. HCl kill microorganism together with provide acidic medium. Mucus protect our inner lining of the stomach, and protein digesting enzyme help in digestion of protein. Okay, so now food opens into the small intestine. This is the part of small intestine. Here only again the sphincter is present, the gate is present, known as a pyloric sphincter, because this part of stomach is known as pyloric structure. Okay, so pyloric sphincter. Now food moves into the duodenum part, and the liver produce bile juice, which is going to be stored in the gallbladder, also going to be secrete here in the duodenum. Now pancreas also secrete pancreatic juice, which is also released in the duodenum part. Now duodenum is the smallest part of the small intestine. Okay, it got the secretion of liver and pancreas together. Now it's going to be enter here only below the large intestine. It enters into the small intestine. Now small intestine is highly coiled. Okay, compact in a very small area. Now all the digestion take place here only. Small intestine have villi like projection to increase the surface area for absorption. All the absorbed food get absorbed from here into the blood vessels. Okay, and the rest part which is not digested going to be submitted here in a cecum part of the large intestine. Okay, this one is the appendix, the vestigial organ, which we remove which we remove from our body whenever it needed. Now this is the cecum, and here only the microorganism is present. Now this part of the large intestine is known as the ascending part, because the food is going to be ascended. Now this one is known as a transverse part of the large intestine. This is descending part of the large intestine. This part is known as a rectum, which store undigested food for some time for defecate. Okay, and the anus, the opening from which the food going to be released out. Okay, so this is the whole structure of it, you people can see. Now have a look. Okay, thank you everyone.